Hello guys, and welcome to the second video on how I trade EURUSD using EURUSD and EURSGD. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this out, so we have just EURUSD and EURSGD, and I'm going to be showing you how I'm able to get a buy signal just by correlating these two, and of course trying to figure out if the market is right for a buy or sell. Now before we jump in, I would like you to go back and watch the previous video where I covered trading sessions, so you understand why I trade some particular time, and of course everything you need to know about EURUSD as a pair. Now we also covered the fundamentals, but for today we are only talking about EURUSD and EURSGD. Now this is euro and this is USD, and SGD is simply just the Singapore dollar. Now we will not be trading the EURSGD, we're only using it as a confirmation to trade our EURUSD buy market, right? So what we're looking for is buy signals, right, or buy entries for the EURUSD. So now we'll go back to the chart, and I'm going to be showing you how I can easily spot a buy or sell. Now if you notice, both EURUSD and EURSGD, they move very similarly, but if you pay close attention, something will start to become very clear to you, that though they move in a similar direction, you could take advantage of their correlation to know if you're buying or selling. So let's just get straight to the point. I'll just show you something. You can see this low right here, and what you want to do is also take the low for this, right? So you want to see both lows. Now whenever a low is broken and it is not broken on the other, for example, you can see on Tuesday there was no break of the low on Tuesday, but for EURSGD there was a break of that low. So you can see clearly this was a good signal for me to know, okay, I'm going to go long, and you can see how far this particular trade went. So if you had gotten a buy from here, just by combining EURUSD and EURSGD and checking for their price imbalances. Now like I said, I will not be trading EURSGD, I will mainly be trading EURUSD, but whenever I'm trying to get a buy signal on EURUSD, I usually will combine it with EURSGD. It also works for the sell, but if I'm looking for a strong buy to know if this is going to be a strong buy or not, I usually will combine EURUSD and EURSGD to know if it is the right time to buy. Okay, so here is another example. So you can see there was a break of this high on EURSGD, but on EURUSD there was no break, and that was why we had this dip right here. So this strategy is actually very straightforward. So you can see there was a sell before the buy here, but because there was a break of this high, this also went down. So this is just how I'm able to correlate these two pairs to know if I'm jumping on a buy or a sell. But the fact is, for this I usually will focus on just my buy entries. So I'm usually focused on looking for buys on all things EURUSD and EURSGD. So if I'm looking for a strong buy, and if I want to know if this buy is going to be strong enough, like this particular buy that went for close to, let me see, this was up to 500 pips guys, almost 520 pips. So this is something that you want to pay attention to, especially when you're in the market and wondering, should I buy EURUSD? What you want to do is combine it with EURSGD, so you're very sure if this buy is going to hold or if it is going to be strong enough, right? So with that said, I'll come to the end of this particular video. In the next video I'll be showing you guys how I am able to determine a sell entry using EURUSD and USD CHF with EURJPY. So you can see I have all those pairs here. These are the 4 pairs I correlate to trade EURUSD. So with that said, I think this video is long enough. I'll see you guys in the next videos where I'll be breaking down how I'm able to trade EURUSD and USD CHF to determine if I will be selling the Euro USD. Let's say I'm buying the USD pair and I'm also buying USD here, right? So if you notice, there's a common factor, which is USD and USD right here. So this is just to know if my buy is going to be strong or my sell is going to be strong. Over time, I'll be giving you guys more details on how I'm able to do this. But for this video, I think we're done for now. The next thing we'll be covering is Euro USD sell signals. So see you all in the next video, and don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends. So see you guys on the next video.